So we want to go ahead and remove our rear cat here, but our bolts are all pretty much rusted to the point where we can't even get a wrench on there. We're going to go ahead and use our torch to blow the bolts off and remove our cat. So we're able to work off some of the heads here with our torches. If you're able to get them off with your wrenches and ratchets, that would be great. We're gonna go ahead and work this here to break this flange. We do see a little separation here. We're gonna go ahead and pop in the chisel just to try and open it up a little bit. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our screw jack underneath here. We're not going to raise the exhaust, just enough where it's touching. Gonna go ahead and lower our exhaust a little bit. Now, our upper bolt here was stuck in the flange. We're just gonna try and tap this. Pop that bolt out. Our other holes are free of hardware. We have one stud left in this back pipe here. So we're gonna go ahead and try and work that out. Now on the forward mounted pipe, there's gonna be an O-ring gasket. Ours is smashed in flat. You can try and get in there with a pick, and ours is literally just crumbling apart. As yours probably will too. You can use a pick, use any tool you have to go ahead and get that out. Maybe some various punches or chisels. Go ahead and install our O-ring on this side here. I'm just going to gently kind of tap that into place. And let's go ahead and get the cat lined up and installed on the vehicle. Let's go ahead and install our forward mounted O-ring gasket and get our cat slid up and into place. Let's go ahead and install nuts and bolts here. We did in fact have to source some nuts and bolts because we had to torch off our old ones. If you have your original hardware, you can just reuse that. Now that we have those three Nuts and bolts installed. We'll go ahead and do the same for the back side here. And let's go ahead and get those tightened down. I'm just going to go back to the first one that we did. Make sure that we're snug all the way around. Want to make sure that gasket seals nice. And we'll go ahead and do the same for the back 3 bolts. Go ahead and remove our screw jack. You lower the vehicle down to the ground. Go ahead and start up the car. You can check for leaks.